Hi, I'm Weller, and I am very, very excited. Because my mommy's taking me hiking tomorrow. I counted 100 sheep and I'm still wide awake. I really need to fall asleep now. There's so many new adventures waiting for me tomorrow. Hey, let's play together! Look at me! I'm a little butterfly now! Uh-oh, why is it getting dark? That big bird's gonna catch me! Gotta run! Mommy! Mommy! Where am I? Mommy's gone. Mommy. Mommy, where this place? I'm so scared. Mommy. Meat! Eggs! Sausage! Where is that coming from? It's really delicious! I'm so sorry! So many chicken legs! Wait, dude, I just wanted some food. I'll get out of here, okay? Yeah, I didn't think you'd... Ah! Okay, little girl, times change. I can fight for everything. For my mommy, for me. Ha! Mommy, don't worry. I'm almost home. Wait for me. It's Mommy's smell. I'm almost home. Woohoo! Woohoo! A pink box. So cute. I'm gonna give it to Mommy as a gift.